With the advancement of digital age, the internet starts to become more of an essential resource for modern living. The internet has become an integral part of our lives for businesses, education and learning tools, our entertainment, and of course, our interactions with others. As Wi-Fi gives us opportunities, it is also used by others to exploit or use it to do something that is illegal. So it is important that we have a basic knowledge of Internet security protocols that will help us protect ourselves as we explore the cyberspace. And one of them we will discuss today is a protocol for Wi-Fi networks which is called WPA2.
WPA2 is a security protocol used to protect wireless network. It was introduced in 2004 as an improvement over its predecessor, WPA, and is widely recognized as one of the most secured standards for securing Wi-Fi communication. Key features of WPA2: enhanced encryption. WPA2 is used Advanced Encryption Standard or AES to encrypt data transmitted over network. AES provides a higher level of security compared to temporal key integrity protocol using WPA. Integrity checking, where WPA2 ensures that data packets have not been altered during transmission by using Cipher Blockchain Message Authentication Code or CBC-MAC.
Is part of the IEEE 802.11i standard and is the most widely used security measure for Wi-Fi networks in both home and business settings. There are two main versions of WPA2: WPA2 Personal and WPA2 Enterprise. WPA2 Personal, also known as WPA2 PSK, pre-shared key, is typically used for home networks and small businesses. In this mode, all devices connected to the network share a single password. The security of this network depends on the strength of the chosen password. If the password is weak or easily guessed, the network could be vulnerable to unauthorized access.
Enterprise mode uses a radio server for authentication, providing enhanced security of corporate or large-scale network. How WPA works: authentication. A user device must authenticate with the network by providing a valid passphrase or credentials. Encryption key generation. Once authenticated, WPA2 generates a unique encryption key for each user. Session 2. Ensure the communication are secure. Secure data transmission. All data sent over network is encrypted using AES, making it nearly impossible for unauthorized user to intercept or decipher the information. Benefits of WPA2: strong encryption and security protocols build compatibility with modern devices, essential for protecting sensitive data over Wi-Fi networks. Where its limitation: it is vulnerable to brute force attacks if weak passwords are used. Susceptible to the KRECK or key reinstallation attack, discovered in 2017. Through this, it can be mitigated through software updates, relatively high computational requirements, which can be challenging for older devices. WPA versus WPA3, where WPA2 is being gradually replaced by WPA3, which offers strong encryption protection against brute force attacks and improved security for open networks. However, WPA2 remains widely used due to its compatibility with older devices. To maintain security, always use strong, complex password and keep your router firm updated.